Hello everyone, welcome back to channel, and today I'll tell you how you can remove the lock screen passcode or Face ID on your iPhone. What you need to do is just go to the settings, and after going to settings just swipe up and you need to find out the Face ID and passcode. Just tap on this. It will ask for your passcode. Provide the passcode of your phone which you have already. Just swipe up and you see that there is an option of reset Face ID. Just tap on it and it's gone. Your Face ID is actually gone. And now to turn off the passcode, you see that there is an option of turn off passcode. Just tap on it, turn off. It will ask for your Apple ID passcode and passcode of your phone as well. Provide the passcode of your phone, and after providing the passcode, it's gone too, because I have already logged into my Apple account. Otherwise it will ask for you an Apple account verification as well. So that's how you can turn off your lock screen passcode and Face ID on your iPhone. I hope this video is helpful for you, and if you still have any question, just leave a comment and I'll try to make another tutorial for you. Bye bye.